So here's interesting app called Palmist AI Hand Reader. So it's pretty interesting app as it involves AI. And you need to keep in mind it's quite large app. It's more than 1 GB in size, so you need to have some free storage. But this app is basically for reading your palm. Like if you like this stuff and you believe in this kind of things, that's the app you should definitely check out. Because why it's different from other apps. In other apps, usually what you do just either have some pictures and just basically blog posts around palm reading, and then you just need to identify yourself. In other apps, like you can just go to the search and see, I just did some quick discovery. So in this app, you take a photo of your hand and then you submit it to the directory of palm readers. But now in this Palmist app, it's using this AI technology, which is like you take a photo and then it automatically analyzes all of the things and gives you suggestions, which is like pretty cool. I was looking for app like that, which is like using AI, with all this, there are bunch of apps where you can just take a picture of flower and it will suggest which kind of flower it is, of like picture of a bug or something. So now this technology is extended to palm reading, and then you can just tap sign up and then create your account. You have 3 days of free predictions and it's $10 per week. So not a cheap app. All AI apps are not cheap actually. Like $40 plus per month. So, but yeah, basically, and there is only free trial for 3 days, meaning you can use this app for 2 days and then you need to cancel. Otherwise, if you use it for 3 days and cancel, you will be charged. But you can definitely give it a try. I think this app is trending on the internet. And then, yeah, you can see these apps. Pretty cool idea when you just take photos and then it automatically visually analyzes all of it. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So give it a try.